about Marty.
What's those?
A little.
I can't do it.
Proper meow.
You still can't do it.
Yeah, can you go? Yeah.
Yeah, okay, don't do that.
My hands were wet, man.
Go on, Lewis.
Can you do it?
Can you do it?
I know there's always such a big yard in there.
Like a baby crying.
Yeah.
You're getting there, mate.
Wasn't good.
Ooh, that's looking pretty good.
Alex, get off sculptresses. Can't say what it is if you made it.
It's, what is that?
It's
Yeah, it's a bird.
bird or something, butterfly.
It's got an egg underneath it.
Got an egg underneath, giant ball sack.
What?
Giant your mum's sack.
How old are we? 6, 7. Nice one. 33.
Jesus Christ!
So loud.
Fucking farted. Daffy Duck's got my bum. I can't do it like that. I only do it like that.
I can't do it like without their fingers, man. Like just...
Can everybody roll their R's?
What?
Can everybody roll their R's? Like, can you not do that? Liam can't do it. You can't do it. What? Roll your R's.
French do it.
So many people can't do it.
I only can't do
I wouldn't
it.
even know.
Rolls Royce.
Start with making that noise.
Riveting.
The French do it,
Where'd you put your tongue?
Where'd you put your tongue?
I'm not even playing.
I'm not playing this game.
I'm going home now.
I'm not playing the roll game.
Come on, it's not that hard, is it?
Okay, come back. What's he made? What's that? Come on, this is the last second of the video.
It's a palace. It looks pretty good.
Can't say what it is after you've made it. Come on, think like Dave.
What the fuck is that?